morning guys. Now we are here. We need to check the LCP and Photocell. Okay, we have here Photocell, this one. Okay, we need to check this timer, then we connect first this one, how Photocell is working. I need to check. This is the LCB. Okay. LCB. And then we have a relay contactor. And then we have a timer. Now I'm here with my good friend Ragu, making connection. Nice. By the way, this is a single circuit. This fit from the, I think, around 150 meters from this location. Photocell is shooting for turning the light automatically. Where's that eyeglass box? Okay, put inside. Okay, now this is how to check the Photocell. Okay, and then turn on. Okay. No. 1 minute. No. Because this one is off. Okay. If this is off, should be this Photocell will giving the supply for the relay. If the timer is open, this one is open. So the Photocell will cannot work. Okay, so supposed to be, it should be off. Okay, okay, it's working. See, now the relay is working, meaning this Photocell is working. So open, and then okay, just only open. Don't touch the. Okay, that's open. Meaning it's daytime, it should be turned off automatically. Now we have here, this is meaning it's okay, it's not, it's off. Okay, that's it, how to check the Photocell.